Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of, yes, it's Tuesday, October the 6th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, tectonic number 1, tectonic number 2, and only one binary. Total of 7 extra Sudokus to solve today. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. This will be number 1697. Yes, 1697. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I've already counted in this Sudoku the printed digits. There are a total of 27. As usual, 27 printed digits. So you can see the difficulty level. Yes, it's an indication of the difficulty level, but it's not always true. 27 is easier than 25. Sometimes the 25 printed digits are easier than the 27. So the combinations or the pairs, the lot more pairs, the difficult it will be. Anyway, so let's get started. We see here 1 in this column, a 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, the first row, 7 in the third row, so in the row between, the second row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then, how about the number 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, only place for the 6 should be there. In the first row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have the 9 and the 5 in this big square, so no 9 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The other 2 numbers, boxes are reserved in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2, let me mark them for you, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So we have a 2 in one of these 2 boxes. In this row, a 2 in the first row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row. Those 2 numbers are the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. These 2 numbers of this big square are left for the numbers 4 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. These 2 boxes are left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, the last row. 1 in that row, so in the row between. Only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see number 1. Yes, alright. We have a 4 in this row. A 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 6 in this row, the 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And then how about the number 3 in this row? 3 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. How about the number? Yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Yeah, a 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have one of these 2 boxes, a 7 in the first column, a 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 is missing and the 8 is missing in this column, the third column. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of these 2 boxes in this row. Remember that? Because we go to this big square, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see there 5, so no 5 in this box. In this row, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So in this box, no 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. two missing numbers in this column, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9, and look, we have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 9. Then two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have a 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 2, and now we have a 2 here, so this box can be a 2, this box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. Alright, two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and the 9. 8 and the 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Let me make this correctly, and 8 goes there. Then how about, how about, yeah, tell me, yeah. One box left in this column should be the number 9. 9 is missing. Yes, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column with 3 in the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3. One box left in this column for the number 4. Then 6, 7. How about these two numbers in this column? Those numbers are the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Those two numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Very strange. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 now, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two boxes left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have an 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5 in this column, we have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 in this big square, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. I will continue with the second Sudoku, a 2 stars Sudoku in this additional. Thank you, and bye bye for now.